Maintaining your generator is crucial, especially if you rely on it for commercial use or during emergencies. That's where the Briggs Stratton 6034 standby generator maintenance kit comes into play, specifically designed for 7,000-watt generators. This kit isn't just a random assortment of parts. It's a well-thought-out collection that caters to the needs of your generator. Firstly, the kit includes pre-measured synthetic oil. This is a big deal because using the right oil is essential for the longevity of your generator. Synthetic oil is known for its superior performance, especially under extreme conditions, and it helps ensure your generator runs smoothly. Then, there are the two spark plugs. Spark plugs are vital for efficient fuel combustion, and over time, they can become dirty or worn out. Replacing them is one of the most basic yet crucial aspects of generator maintenance. With this kit, you have everything you need to keep your generator starting and running as it should. The UL-rated air filter in. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.